Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert MOV to MP4. This is a really useful skill, especially if you want to make your videos compatible with more devices or editing software. The first step is to simply open any browser and search for Convert MOV to MP4, and then click on the first link here from Cloud Convert. Cloud Convert is one of the most reliable online converters, and it supports a wide range of video formats. Here, you're going to have to select your MOV video. If your file is large, make sure you have a stable internet connection, as uploading can take a few minutes depending on the file size. After selecting your video, simply choose Convert to and select MP4. Then click on Convert. After that, you're going to have to simply wait until this loads. Conversion time can vary depending on your file size, so be patient. Once the process is complete, you'll be able to download your converted video. As you can see, I'm using an MP4 video because I don't have a MOV file right now, but you're going to have to simply choose your MOV file and then select to convert it to MP4. Basically, that's all you have to do. After the conversion is done, just click on the download button and your MP4 video is ready to use. A few extra tips. Always double-check the quality of the converted video before deleting your original MOV file. If you work with videos frequently, consider installing a desktop video converter. It can save you time for large files. MP4 is widely compatible, but if you need specific editing features, check if your editing software prefers a different format. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Also, leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's another video tutorial you'd like me to make. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.